How to change address of Bank of America. To change your address with Bank of America, you have several options. Open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your smartphone. Look for an option related to your profile or settings. Find the option to update your contact information, including your address. Enter your new address details and save the changes. You can also call customer service. Provide the necessary information such as account details and personal information. Request the address change and provide your new address. Thanks for watching the video.